welcome to MoFitMeals. Do you ever meal prep? I do it a lot, and I always need something ready so I can just sit down and eat because I'm constantly moving around and going somewhere. So let's do something quick, easy, and healthy, and then I'll show you the results. Here we go. Here are the items you're going to need. Asparagus, liquid egg whites, salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, a yummy red pepper zest, and some mozzarella shreds. Well, that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please remember to subscribe. And remember, stay MoFit.